Today, we're tucked away in the perfect spot in Silvertip. It's peaceful, private, and the kind of place that's going to make you want to drop your bags and stay a while. Welcome to 202 in Aspen Point, a super charming mountain escape with a cozy chalet vibe. Plus, not one, but two private covered balconies with the kind of mountain views that can't help but make you smile. This is the kind of property that makes it very easy to leave the city behind. Morning coffee with the fresh mountain air, and the kind of peaceful place that instantly feels like a special getaway. Now the kitchen features rich cherrywood cabinetry, this huge granite island, travertine backsplash, and KitchenAid stainless steel appliances. It's the perfect place for easy weekends, entertaining friends, or building the perfect charcuterie board. This living area is awesome. You've got incredible mountain views, tons of natural light, these gorgeous hardwood floors, custom woodwork, and a fireplace that brings just the right amount of cozy. And then there's the primary suite. This spacious bedroom has more beautiful views and its own private deck. Plus, there's a walk-in closet with custom built-ins. Now this ensuite deserves a drum roll. It's a genuine wellness retreat. With a jetted hot tub, infrared sauna, walk-in shower, and dual vanities. After a day on the hill, it's exactly where you'll want to be. Perfect for privacy, across the living area is the second bedroom with more incredible views. And right next to the second bedroom is the second three-piece bath with an oversized shower. This condo also has a convenient third bedroom, perfect for guests or your mountain home office. Completing this great condo, we have a spacious laundry room here and 2 underground parking stalls. Wait a minute, there's something about twos here. We're in unit 202. You've got 2 underground parking stalls, 2 storage lockers, and 2 amazing decks. Gotta love the twos. This truly is a definition of a Rocky Mountain escape. Warm, welcoming, and the kind of place you can't wait to come back to. Ready for your in-person tour? My contact info is below, and I'd love to show you around. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future tours. I'm Chezlene Kocian with RE/MAX Alpine Realty.